Hey guys, this is Amy Johnson, and what I have for you today is a mixing video. This is how I mix my blooms. So I'm just going to show you what I use. I use Dutch Boy, Cabinet Door and Trim, Accent Base D. I use a Valspar water-based, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna put you up here and get to mixing. Okay, so we start with a Dutch Boy. It's really thick. And I'm gonna give it, I'm gonna see, whoa, see how thick that is? Holy crap. All right, I was gonna mix it up a little bit. I usually end up with like some boogers in here, so it's always a good idea to strain it. Okay. So I don't really know the ratios I use. I just kind of put in the Dutch Boy and the Valspar until I have the consistency I want. But to be honest, I usually make it a little bit thinner than I want because it always thickens up. Okay, so let's do this. We're just gonna, whoa, dump some in here. I mix up a lot at a time. Okay, and then and add the Valspar to it. Give it a stir, see what we got. Let's see, I'm guessing it. Yeah, it's pretty thick, so some more of this in. Totally accurate measurements here, guys. Sorry about that. I've never measured how much Valspar I put in there. I should probably. And let's see where we're at. It's looking better. Looking better, but like I said, it always thickens up, so I'm gonna add more than I think I need. It's not too bad, actually. It's still really thick. And I'm almost out of everything, but I'm sure of enough. Go, go, go. Okay, stir, stir, stir. Yeah, this is gonna be better, I can tell. I get these containers from the dollar store. Well, actually, it's the $1.25 store now. And let's see how we're looking. That's better. I mean, it looks pretty much perfect for when I'm actually going to use it. But since it thickens up, add some more. Don't be shy, just add it. Oh yeah, this has got to be enough. Because I'm almost out of everything, so it just has to be enough. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then I put it in my squeeze bottles. I'll show you those because I really like these a lot. They actually squeeze from the bottom, and I think they call them no drip. So I'm just gonna open that up. Boogers. No Open that one up. And then get some paper towels. It's always like sploosh all over. Sploosh, sploosh, sploosh. It's kind of a gross word, but that's okay. And technically I should strain this into there, but I'm not going to. I'm feeling lazy tonight. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill these up. And honestly, that's really all there is to it. It's just 2 ingredients. And that's how easy it is. But I will show you how I mix up some pigments and some paint. And it's just a matter of getting your consistency right. You might have to thin it out, probably have to thin it out, because like I said like a million times now, stop saying that, is that, so, my goodness, I should probably just stop talking. Okay, so put these babies on. Get rid of this. Okay, get rid of this. Alright, now I'm going to show you. So I have a couple of pigments here. I've got Athena, I've got Meteorite, and for paints, I'm gonna use Modern Masters. What is this? Iridescent Gold. And then I've got Montmart in black, Lamp Black. This is a good brand. If you paint a lot, I suggest getting it because it comes in large quantities. It's good. It's pigmented. Yeah, it's inexpensive. Alright, so going over my little cups here. Yeah, put some Bloom PM in the cups. Oh, excuse me. Shit. Okay. And I'm probably gonna have to thin these out, but that's okay. I'll show you the way I thin them out. And that is, in this bottle, I have the Valspar. It's not the 3X. I used to have that in there, now it's not. So this is what I use to thin it out if I need to. Okay, this one's looking pretty sad right here. So this is a beautiful color, this Athena. It's like a rose gold, and rose gold is one of my favorite colors. It goes with everything. I'm just gonna, I was gonna say I was gonna stir gently so it doesn't fly around, but it's flying around. Okay, better now. See, I can tell that it's too thick, but that's okay. I'll add my Urethane plus water to it. Okay, that looks good. See, look at this color. It's just, wow. This is by TOP. All right, so I got that one. Now I'm gonna do the Meteorite. Another TOP. That's very, very pretty. Let's see. This one didn't thicken it up as much as the Athena. Weird. Okay, see, it's actually getting thicker as I stir it. But I'm gonna add a little bit more and thin it out. And then after you mix these, you're probably gonna let them sit while you get your canvas, blah, blah, blah. And you're gonna have to check them again because they will thicken up. Okay, so I got those two. I'm gonna do the black. Geez, it's really hard to see the consistency of this one. I know it's thick. This is tube paint, and these are all gonna be thick anyway. So it's just kind of the nature of the beast. Okay, that looks pretty good. You guys probably can't see it. All right, and then dulled. Do that around. Yeah, it's really thick. Of course it's thick. Okay, so we'll add some of this. And honestly, that's about it, you guys. It's easy peasy. I hope that you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.